Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on playing a game as an activity status in a Discord mobile application on Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let's assume you would like to share your status or your activity, like playing a specific game within a specific Discord server you're a member of. Let me show you how this can be done. So here in the Discord mobile application, tap into that U button in the bottom right corner. Just like that, and after that tap into that gear icon in the very top right corner to access your account settings. And what you want to do next is choose the third option in your account settings, which is content and social. So here guys, what you want to do is swipe down a bit till you get to the server settings and tap into server defaults. And from the following list, simply select the server where you'd like to share your gaming activity or status in. So let me go with Roblox here, just for the sake of this tutorial. That is going to redirect you to the previous menu. So here what you want to do next is swipe down a bit and make sure that activity status here, the third option, is turned on. It is switched off guys, simply switch it on here back, just like that. And that is going to allow you to share your activity status, like playing a game, in the server selected here above, like in this example Roblox guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.